Come to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Please liskalibala subscribe.
Angivutha umlilo wangempela angidingi nepizza ngayishaya kapela mangena kuthi
Trail Mosedi.
But also look out for Trail Mosedi because he's coming through with a bang.
Mr.
Yeah. Isuko kunje. Abana basishe. Give it a see. Give it a see. Yeah.
Captain Yellow.
Captain Yellow. Captain Yellow. Awukohlonini ukuthi bathi banesithi indaba yasesenti agibe ukubusa besendenti akhala bebaningi bebona uwashinti wasesenti khala namathi kone bolti manje nithi agibele basi kohlonini ukuthi bathi banesithi indaba yasesenti agibe ukubusa besendenti akhala bebaningi bebona uwashinti wasesenti khala namathi kone bolti manje nithi Give you all to sex to share. Put it so on a last Vegas event. Nobody can say full of past share. Skip him and niggas in a Vegas cell. Give you all to sex to share. Put it so on a last Vegas event. Nobody can say full of past share. Skip him and niggas in a Vegas cell. Give me that passy. Aibo. Yeah, give me that passy. Give me that pussy. Everybody to the move,
Welcome to another one exciting episode. Episode like I'm talking to your boy Mr. Wizzy behind the means. Waiti, as always, I give vitally one.
Yo, shenanigan on the house.
On the house.
In the house. Tomato.
Awuko phakathi.
Ngiphethe
Gibela beswethu. Ubatshele. Abukele. Sebala. One, two, one, point. Ukene talk. Udala intelligence yavela vele. Thank you man. Nah, dope. Ufunde pone khone? Sis.
Hey, sinenhlanhla ema propone khone.
Ngase kanjani?
Oh, you might see when you're winning Bonnie Holaki. It's the one of the toppest school like you are. One of the toppest school like you are. Like not school like I bone go like ngiyafunda lapha ya
angithi vele umthetho la next door amanga lapha ya la ngiyafunda lapha
bangafuni we 10
next door bameboneni futhi
olufundiswa amakhati
abangafunda ushama push up lapha
lapha siphila
abakushaya ngabo lethi homework
abalungi phela bayazi ngipresident
upresident
abaca
we president yesikela kanti la lento ama president senziwa yiseli
ushawuthi mani
Showtime.
G10 ili president.
No, ama president kanti wabe ku9 on matric ne. Ungena usasiba udeputy wa grade 11.
Standard 9.
Standard 9 is grade 11.
Grade 11.
Yes, angithumele ube upresident mawulapho.
Ka matric vele you can't be a president.
Unless umuntu uyashaya.
Ngishasha.
Oh, cha ukuthi mhlawumbe uyi class rep. Phela kunomehluko boy.
Class rep, i-president, i-captain vocal K1 yonke.
No, this boy is loaded.
Hayi ngababiza bonke
But ifanele ngathi icela ukudlala. Ingenza wena president.
ngiyakutshela.
I'll check. What's the process? How to become president? Mele ube vocal, mele ukhiphe ingoma yepiano.
Like shuthi like kuze ngibe president lapha like mina ngiziphatha kahle mina respect respect clean clean neat
Ngizongathi uthi ngiclean isigela.
Oh neat alright yeah that's one of the qualities they're looking for.
So uba skumi nje sesikwenza president.
Then academically encwadini yabahabele bathi iclass lonke bayacava yona mabafika la bakutshela
Umthandazo Manene.
commenteni la nomthandazela amahayi lawa agcoka ama blazer lezi zibhala baphasa kakhulu asini aye
Noma yakusila abashange ngamagama wesingam la labo Nehemia abo Ana.
Maria
Baba Morini. Ngishela khipha abagama engakhumbula ukuthi somewhere I know le gama engizolikhipha yabona. Uzofila ngathi. Uyawunokufanyana abone ngathi masibiza le gama nje sibone kwakhe.
So wena mase introduce ntwana angiqale ngelasepasini mfana igama negama lasepasini uzongena vele introduce ukuthi wena mase stage uthubani wena abazali bami ngiyabona like nginenkinga nabo ngaligama abanginike lona nginenkinga like igama lami ngijabulani yabo Jabulani Junior Ayanda Dlamini Jabulani Junior Ayanda namagama 3 JJA Dlamini alright
Lifetime.
Lunch boy ngoba ngilithandi nje lokama.
Why?
La Jabulani leli lunch boy hayi
La lunch boy lokuthi udle emini.
ngiyakiba ngiza ngo lunch boy ngithi cheese boy lapha esikela ngithandi igama
Cheese boy then. Okay, cheese boy is in like utsetse kanthuli charcoal le kotala number scale.
yeah ngilezo sana ukuthi mangipholile mina ngisana ukuthi ngipole ngiyi1 like ngithanda like kuba ngiyi1 angithanda makune crowd yeah ngithanda kuba ngithanda uku isolate kahle yeah
Why?
like you angithanda
Mina
like
ngibhizi ngabo why because everything that this gentleman is saying nje ifuna sisha ngabo why. Yeah, why uthanda ukuzasolate?
inkinga like kunabantu khona kaphaya man
Yeah.
like qala kamnandi makapheli kamnandi.
Oh, awurateli taba papiki. Akasumpi yakhe.
Yeah.
Uringe barngani ngokuthi
Makunabantu ababaya there's always conflict.
Kuba nendaba.
Yeah, hlala kune conflict mfana makunabantu.
Yeah, ugcina involved indaba.
Nawe usozithola songaphakathi. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Manje stage bathi ubani wena nje yami? Ebona amagama baya wena manje.
Uzofaka amanye futhi.
La, nginamagama ethu. Yeah, wesi stage. Uprovider le DJ captain vocal. Kahle kahle lelaka provider. Ngaligawa abantu ekiki. Kahle kahle mina bengu DJ JBL Jabulani. Okay. Ngagawa abantu shima nje bengiperforma kahle bengaperform bengikhapha umadala emakigini wakhe yabo. Mangika laphayana shuthi kwaba neningi hotmane liyi1. Athuna sano uprovider
Ngawufika like ushayinama.
Yeah, shayinama.
Yeah.
Athuna sano uprovider. Provider ngo music. Yabona lapho ukuthi yabona le provider le DJ.
How old were you when this time?
Ngisasintana blind.
Manje ubani nothi awusasintwana manje?
Hayi no ngingehotmanyana. Hotmanyana. Sela 2 years uthi uqede isikole if I fail na konke. Okay. Yabona lo ayikho grade engingayiphinda. Yabona ngintwana World Cup.
Yeah.
World Cup.
2010. So repeat ke mara sis yo intwana mama
Ngani Mosedi?
Hayi.
But this sounds like a one kuba ngathi umsangano wami.
You chilling with someone here who was born but omdala, I'm sure you have a child.
Ngiyam-interview bengifuna ukwenza i-podcast that time ngokusebenza eradiyweni yona beyivela i-podcast sengi-interviewa yona uzalo
Yeah.
no leso kunezibhaya ikhanda lami liyahlangahlangana yabo madala kuyize DJ
Yeah, DJ madam DJ Dolphin.
udolphin udlala konke u-80 cows
Mina ke manje yo like ushaye boma old school. Lisa boma dala boma deep house. This is Poli. This is okay. Ya boma Sunday sishinika. Yeah, this is Poli.
ya vele masikhula sibalekela lapha iphela into yini nomsindo
Selisonto manje.
ya
Isonto yini? After la esonto yodlala ipiyano.
boregile
Akube nekavu kuthane church hayi azwana.
madala wena
Yena nesonto madala.
Wena.
Hayi mina yo ngisafuna ukubele esontweni maka njalo mangithi manje ngiyavuka ngesontweni ngivele ngivuke late.
influencer madala akho
Hayi
chief misebenzi yawo
DJ Dolphin.
so that let's talk music nje
Music.
were you inspired by madala for you to be
Like
a
ukuba
musician or okay let's take us through ijini yakho
Yeah,
like
tuqale.
the music uqale phi kuphi kwashikhambani
shuthi mina like lento music mina ngaqala ukurecorda ngefoni. Shuthi khona le app athi iBandLab. Ngaqala ngokudownloada ama beats. Yeah, up until ngihlangane no X.
bang
X Predator. Liyakhona ngaya.
oh X-Predator
Yeah.
oh, that's my boy
Oh, Emas.
yeah
You know him?
yeah very well he's my son
Aya Hotman.
ne sen hot indoda senizwa ngama hot man when I met X he was even younger than this one he was grade 8 or 9
Aya Hotman. Shuthi
Ne?
ingithola ngiplome custom ni outyama yabo.
Yeah.
Ngiplome custom. So manje beshama freestyle yabo. Shuma nje ngiphethe speaker share freestyle ni outyama. Abo X bandlula ngathi angazi beba kuyava khona ngale custom baza khona ngayi. Untwana bezishama freestyle abasondele mabasondele abasibuzi bathi emadoda nishama freestyle kahle basibuza ukuthi niyacula sithi siyacula gcona ishani freestyle bona kusho bona afini nami ngibe ngigibela ke hayi mina ngifreestyle ngiyingozi ngibe ngigibela ahlanyo X thima kahlanya kuhlanya no Igili enyewe nabona inhlangisa ama hotman afini exchange ama tens
hlanye nale enye
yawo AC Shithi beki Friday langa la khona ngitexta ama hotman ngithini manje ma hotman ihlangana nini athi yazini wena uvele ngala asasole Sunday angivele vele Sunday awuthami akhona ngiphumelela be-attend afele mina ngiya ngiphethe intwana yami encane le ngitshela ngayo
Oh yeah. Uthi uyayifaka.
ngiyifaka la ntwana yawo yo shuthi masiya lapha angibona uX so manje uX uthini njamure disicale no nithi angile hotman ngakukhalisa ibeat abalipheka ibeat abalipheka abo Igili bona abalele ngala empedeni
hlala balele vele
ababepheka ibeat angibe ngiyagibela lapha emic ahlanyu X simadoda kuhlala
la siyahlanya akahlanya ube into so
khalisa ibeat ngicela kuligibela ngena intwana yami uyihlanye kokugcina ngena intwana encaphe intwana encane nje
ingelela ngigibela ibhizi
gibela ibeat uyahlanye X nina kahle kahle ni musically gifted kule thiya afele sishale lo track lena next week yakhona sengivela vela ngi-outyam yilapho ke soqala khona ukurecord itrip juluka masokhela khona itrip juluka ngishaya ivideo ngisistudio mangishaya ivideo kanti ngizoyiposta mangiposta ivideo yakhona ngathi izoreacha uRita RC uRita yilapho ke azongibhathulela khona ama-lyrics
sis
You see what we've been talking about?
Ilantwana encane
Yabona into esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi music mele ba-register labafana. Man. Into yakhona yenziwa online.
wenza only the lyrics or even the flow
iflow utshintsha iflow like ucofa iflow lami watshintsha ama-lyrics
uRita islima man
Shuthi le track lakhona sengizenisaba nokudropa ngoba ngizothi ngiyadropa
Bazongathi wena.
ngikopile
Obvious.
Yeah. You can do some shit, same shit. Ibe different inyana. Mawuqeda umfaka egcineni uthi silima sigarita.
Why nishayela no music vele kule industry? Dina abahluleka ukucabanga.
Ngokuthi ucabanga
So wena lezi lama lyrics wakha afika abuya phi ntanga uyaphala uyasivikela nje.
mina ngisona ukuthi mangizozwa ibeat manje avela ama lyrics na automatically mara khona ezinye ingoma engizibhalela like njengale ugogo agogo ngayibhalela la ngoma leya
Ikhuluma ngani?
lo gogo like ikhuluma ngomagogo
Ngogogo wakho,
wangishiya ngisasemncane
Ukhulisa ugogo. Ukhulisa ugogo.
like ngikhula vele isandleni sakamagogo yabona
Yeah.
so umagogo kuzabhole wavela ngokuthi wangishiya endlini ukuthina uyabuya emakhishini
Oh yeah.
kanti yena makafika la uzogula phela vele bekala bakagula vele avuka kugula makafika la esibhedlela wabakrend makabakrend kanjalo kwaba izinto zama covid kanti covid izombamba
Shit.
kodwa kumbamba vele nathi sithola isikhathi after isikhathi ukuthi vele uphethwe icovid yabo ukalasa ngoba
Usesemncane ngeCovid iyayezolo. Usesemncane.
Bina 11.
Yo.
Bina 11, bina 10.
Yeah, and it's very rare. Go on usisa ukuthi kure kanjani to find your talent usesemncane. Very fortunate ntwana yami. Yo, kure uthola talent lakho usesemncane. Like very few people they discover who their purpose is, what their purpose is.
Yeah, and I'm one of the few.
Oh, now we are finally on list. I am disputing X. Yeah, I know when you started this work.
And so anyone endlini yena umagogo or Mapriza or Matala who is also a singer or who is vocally gifted, so to say.
ubhuti wami
Ebazalini akekho.
akekho
Bazalini yabhimba nobabili.
umama like bekantsemu yena ekhwayini ase church
Lokho kufunde poleko nibuze the same thing ukuthi wakwazi ukukhulu. Nani amiye ukufana khona endlisi.
man
I knew it.
Siphakamisa lesikole
Lokho bazothini.
Hayi abela kumnandi
Yeah.
So wincelile lento music kahle from both parents.
Mapriza nomatala Mapriza vele bekashaya alto alida khona lapha echurch matala beka u DJ
Le bese liyakwakho uyabona
man
Unana
shay hip hop ngiya ngishay hip hop
Khotman lab. Manje likhinya ngani?
hip hop Ayiyano la ekhaya
Ntwana wakaje. Abazi ukuthi le piano ngena manje. Abazi ukuthi piano ngena manje. Ifika nabo vele.
Show jets. Now my talk, now my
Captain vocal.
Mhlambe le usitshele about le one lama JPL they what they provide.
Yeah, provided the DJ.
Now this is
the
captain.
Yeah.
Inspire ile ya ku FM. Kufanele bayibiza umcaptain.
mina kushithi le gama leli yabo ngiziphile mina leli ngiziphile nakhona like ikizipheni kwami ngibone ukuthi like vele like ngiyabenefita kulo because like namahotman abhaya khale kaslam lonke
Nje ngevocal.
the vocal ngiyakhila like
Yesithemba jo. Ngingene ingehunta ngithi show boy ngithi ubani igama nguJabulani uCaptain K1 yonke ngithi
lonke ngaziwa makasazoza
akuphi uHotman mawuzo captain walentana uyithi avu abasiphuleke ngesipani sure
leli uCaptain evocal ngiziphila yabo
Sure.
yeah ngoba mina leli ukuze ngisigaye lona khona le uZuzuki cha uZuzuki ekhona khona ngayekhiwa
Anybody.
angikeni la nonke ngiyabo
uZuzuki ni vocal president
Oh.
yeah vocal president mina under
mina ke ngizoba
captain
yeah uzoba ubani ngathi kunama ranks mina ngizoba lieutenant Mkhwanazi Thiwu
Angeke MEC yamapiano.
Sengizibari shocking man
yeah suka kanjalo ke ligama leli ukuthi ngisigaye lona yabo so ngashaya track leli lisini ilo mntwana
Yeah.
yilo mntwana
yeah
mina nake Msotho iring
ngwana o
yilo mntwana
Mntwana. Okay.
so the track leli ngisema ngishaya khona umntwana bekase customer ngihlanyisa
bekakuhlanyisa une-crush
yo fresh tata ngaze
Umsaba.
ngamlanda straight shisi lengoma le ya after sengiqede kumlanda lafika le bekasithomisa yabo ngamtshela nawo ukuthi angizubhizinalelana nawe like asuyi-one like
nishela kanje
obeka futhi man angeke uzolokulandelelana nomntana engathi uyayi-one
nikwatisa abantwana I've got daughters nikwatisa abantwana bethu futhi banqome wena ngeke lokugijimisana nawe
asuyitshela
ngathi umuhle wena akathi umuhle aboswahini nishela kanjani
thina besirihesa tangithini le amavila ethu ibhayisikili besishalezo sakhula thina ukuthi konje amavila ebhayisikili ayingakhi babe athi ayi-2 namzibethu besishalezo
phela into bengilibulale kuzabe ngithini shuthi bengifika emntwaneni bengizivala ubuhle kwami ngithi cakela ngubani cakela ngizothini ngiyakuthanda umntana vele ajameke-ke yabona-ke umntana engamfikile ya
emakalini nabohomoto lechata so imagine cakela ngubani
cakela ngizothini
ngiyathanda siyathanda nawe suka kumele kube namaklasi othando ngeke
amakamele babize mina ukapteni mani
ne
so le track leli ugogo li-inspire umagogo wakho ukuthi ukushiye
ngisasemncane
yeah but ngalo mntana oshaya le hook mntana
Sindi
awusindi nyamphakamisela
hayi kumele ngihlangane noSindi muhle uSindi
yo
okay asisuke lapho
ushaya chibane yini
show 11
khona
no wonder athapho uSindi
nathi sitho
ukhethe isikele esi-right nami bengifunda lapho ingakho u-right mina nawe si-right nale ngoma i-right Sindi
ngoba khona yena i-right kube bengekho bezoba left
angishongo mamela captain asikhambani asiqhubeke yes because manje umbuzo I wanted him to give us
from a context
I wanted to give yes
from a context ukuthi kahle indaba le yale ngoma kaGogo yaqala kanjani wena nje yami
mina shuthi khona le mina ngisungumuntu like ngicabanga umagogo nje out of nowhere angisungumuntu njalo like bengisesigele la ngala khona I think bekuyi Thursday phale back seat ngi1 faka right set sharp it manje ngiyamamela man ngicabanga like ikhonilana elifika ethi ukhathi ngisemncane bathi mina uyabuya emakhishi ngathi yazini le ngiyalibhala le ngoba vele into vele yenzeka kulo yebhala semaqeda kulibhala ngafika ngazwisi out yami yangibhika semangizwisa athi njami leli lashisa le mara mozothola iproducer grand ezoproducela yonke into ibemnandi kanti vele khona le ya ngibengisikhola la ku Facebook ngiyabona Rocker N ngiyabona ngiyasizwa ngani staff sakhe
Rocker N Rocker my boy
oh fuck he produced the song
Rocker boy umtag ungiremind simtag isikhathi sikhipha
masifike
shuthi mangisikole ngiyazi staff sakhe sashisa ngithathi tomavale hotman ngimtext kanti vele uzongiphendula ngitshela ukuthi awukhona khona la ekhumana ngiyabona kuseduze modikule ekhumana ngikukhuphuka semakhuphuka lapha yana badlala ibeat semakadlala ibeat khona bengishaya lyrics nakhona like mangishaya lyrics uthini yazini athi su lezi uthini susala lyrics la uqala amanye kanti vele khona ungabhalile ngamagogo thivele maqala zolahlela ibeat semangena lapha uyezwa nayo lentona lena like shuthi uthi wena sani wena make sure ukuthi njami la kule industry le abakhopi njalo onke la kade wena une voice emnandi njalo yeah lapho ke nami la ngaba ne spirit ukuthi yabona ke manje yangizipana no Rocker uyiproduce like iproducer ngisipana nawo most of the time
Rocker N Mashiko
awazi yeah
so ima so uRocker N makathi yabona ntwana wena kule lona azangifile like PD vibes la Hotman uthini ayi asazothi ntwana banga group yeah
shuthi yeah like ngibe kanjalo shuthi ngibe like amabuka njalo ngibele ngisoli manager kade ngisafuna manager ngla
abantu rock uzokuroka la
uzamrock
wena rock you
Akapheli ngezinye indlela urock lapha.
oh you also grand ukhazi
Athi sha.
sami wa athi grand ase
you wanna rock your world
angeke
rock your bumps yeah
ama khot manje
Lezinto basestudio wena.
ayikho awusheke bamba mama ngendlela ezifana
akekho phela mina obvious salo ngaqala ukurecorda ngefoni
yeah ulay ukuthi ngemike nje yabo
salo ngarecorda like ngefoni yabona ngaqala dabe le ngefoni mangicala vele ngefoni obvious vele like isound khona ayina quality because like ngirecorda ngefoni yabo akuna quality amara ngaqala lapho like ukuthi yazini manje kumele ngipush angapush itrack lami lokungana quality ngabe khona abantu vele bebacala ya intwana le yaphusha le afele ngaphela imali yabo madala vele athi angibhayile iPC themata maqeda ngibhayile iPC ngafaka FL Studio
Oh yeah, Fruity Loops
yeah faka FL Studio ilapho ke shuthi mase ngithola iPC bese ngirecordile nabo X
okay
yeah vele uX yo vele ngidonsa athi njami ngcuza ubloma yi ngihlalisa vele eduze kwakhe awushina athi bhekelela ukuthi ngiyenzani la ngoba ngizobe ngekho ngelinye lamalanga kuzofuneka ukuthi wena uziproducele mina ngekho
sure
athi ngasafeli Goodman yonke lento beka inqondo yami fast yonke into bekayenza lapha ya ngisheshe ngayibamba yonke into like thinathi ngibambe boma ngeviki yonke le
uzokwazi
ukuproduce
nice
nice one mate
Yeah.
mina ngistrugglishe ngina how many years mhlambe since 2005 ngaba in interest in the music ngicela DJ vele ngecomputer lane sibunisi ngayo emhlophe yeah I started that time this is like if it was 2025 this is like 20 years later I still struggling in FL
yeah nami ifeli yangishaya mfana I've tried so many times ngadownload ama YouTube tutorials
amna khotman like ukuhlangana
futhi ayike kazi mayike kazi
amna khotman like ukuhlangana no X like kwangisizi like kuimagine khona ukuziproducele uX yeah like ngifundisa amanye ama-stunt bengawazi nami phela mina bengisona ukuthi mangizoshaya beat bengithatha i-kick ngiyibeke lapha yana mase ngivibe ngiyi-one la intaka damsangano lento le yabo ahlangana no-X mangihlangana naye ngibonisa ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani nami ngidownload ama YouTube tutorials ukuthi ngizosheshe ngiyibambe lento abayenzayo lapha bengiyenza nami lapha beat lahlangana semaxoxa kuhlangana ibeat angihamba ngazo u-X wathi njama bona nowuyeza no afeli ya semaxoxa kumzwisa afeli umntwana wathi njama next week ubuye namajita wakho kumele sirekhode elinye track yeah should maso record track amashita masifika lapha yana ngizwisa ibeat le R&B mina bengazi ukuthi i-R&B ngizigibela kanjani
bani ukaya ibeat la u-X yeah
shuthi bekhona i-out yami yabo makani wakusase i-out yami like sicabene le out yangikhina no
khambini aselapho khambini cabaniswa yini
the out lena mani ngasho ukuthina ki kusumuntu ongamthemba leya
indlela uchiri ngishaye khona ne
khona
bakulayile
ay man shuthi
uyakhula
le out lena mani and ashika khona mani
hey
ngabona umthanda nakucabane nomjida ngenxa kaChiri
yeah sekafuna ukuthi
nakhona sesicabana ngabona ngakhi noni out yo
odali ukudlithende
udala yona
mina kungilahleleni la
ne ya ungilahleleni
yo ngilahleleni amakalo angisamfuna ngisamfundisi sengiphethe omunye lo hathi
ne ubani igama lakhe
uKatlewo
ngicela ukuthi izosaba ukumkhipha ngoba baningi
uKatlewo
uyephela uKatlewo
mantwana yazi ngi-interested in ama-lyrics wale yangoma yilo mntana angishabheka 16 nyana from yona ntana
shuthi leliyana khona like yinamba nje liziphumele ngile ngimamela iphina khona bengiyi-one estudio hleli mic lapha nyabona ngiyi-one ngibhorekile ngizoyenzani Fika ngicela mangicela uphalisa ibeat engezwa kunescope lapha ya. Shuthi awuthi yami ngicela ngiposela uyangibhika. Thi ngicela ngiposela iscope angezwa ndoda lezi asi on letha thini isigibele. Sima ngishaya ithini? Ilo mntwana. Ithini? Ilo mntwana. Mangizongena lapha ngizothini? Nakhona sengitshintsha ivoice. Thini? Ilo mntwana. Ngizomlanda. Athini lana esiyenzini ipackage vala namagate sise iskate. Yeah.
Iphinde ithing
Lo mntwana ngizomlanda athini lana esiyenzini ipackage vala namagate sise iskate. Ashu.
So umadala akho noma Crazy going to watch this episode, this podcast. Ufuna baboneni ngawo ukuthi ubheka ama package.
Uyavalele iskate.
No man. Shithi uma Crazy like
Uyazi ukuthi uthanda package.
Yo. Hayi wena baqavu ukuthi ngayo. Cana ncane yasanda isitoko ngapha ngiyageleza yabo. Geleza. Sanda isitoko.
Makavalela khona lapha ejardini.
Makababa ngekho.
Oh right. Ay sesimcebile.
Uyazi ukuthi bazebhekelela ku episode. And I'm not gonna cut any shit here.
Ngeke.
Ngeke wani? Ngeke vele.
Uyenzisa.
Baba.
Unela yona. Manje ngitshela ithini famous girl ntwana?
Isigela yo. Angisakhona ukuhlala nangepeace no.
Awu bathu.
Shit.
Ngisanda ukuthi mangizirelaxele obviously ngithe mangiceda khipha le track leli like isnippet le track leli ugogo
yini.
Hayi ngiyakutshela. Ngisanda ukungilanda eclassini. Ngitshile kahle and atasofuna isithombe. Nakhona shoot khona iparking lot ngada sishutela ngada yo yaziwa manje makudonswa mina sijo shoot ithombe bayeza
Oh boy, that's my boy. Kwamele, of course, why not?
amaka angisaphili kamna
yabona manje yabona uScott Scott maphila
yeah intala zakhe
yasheshwa ke la
intala zakhe Scott
unganazi kunsokhana desk mara usaphili kamnandi yena mara
inspiration yakho ntana ubani ukinspire into
mina like umuntu onginspire ukuthi ngicine ngishaye vocal C3 ay ghost le
na support
Ghost.
really la
yellow
ay on the floor on the floor asijaiva nabo
mphethe
abathi nami ngiziphethe ayisetrelbulele
is mfana is
umuntu engisipake ukuthi ngicine ngishaye vocal
ungathi ama drugs
angeke uyo
yini use-3 udla ama drugs
asengiyasho nje ukuthi ngaba bengifuna nje ushaya ngebhomba why ungekwazi
like ama drugs yo
because ngisemase studio ngithi ngiphuzi codeine
mina angiphuzi
ngiphuzi codeine
angiphuzi angibhemi
why
like bad influence kimi
yeah
ngiphuza ngibhemi namachita amabhango akhathile off empilweni yami because like agcina bhema
boy niyazazi
khona nale
wena unetalent
yeah
intwana ngelezi zilaka ziphafuza intuthu phambi kwakho
shuthi
nami ngivane ezinye ziyaphafuza kodwa linale engidala nje
mina mina utababhema ngibafuni abhema hayi
ne awafuni boy nama ngibafuni
abafuni
sekisha labala rolu show my boy
Bhemayo nesitoke sibhema ngesifuni
no
achiyo kuyabhema hayi
kanjani
unoba boy
ngaphuzayo
mina wena mangize le studio ngenza sure ukuthi ngiphathe ikhephi sona drink yami ikhephi ijuice wona nje noma kuyi16 babaphuza endlini bacaba bangayila 6 ekhephi fake ikhephi ihlala ibaphoyi shekhephi
Sithwena lezi zinto zama pens down azithikazisi mfana.
Like khona like khona nale event le nge22 khona la eCustom pens down nacaba lokho ngabishaya la maka ngeke ngiphuze
wena uyele uku-expose talent lakho uyoperforma giga maboy.
Alright.
This boy is
22 eKaslap.
yeah
Edikuli.
yeah dikule section Freedom Square
Square. Okay. Bashaya event amajita la.
yeah
this boy uyabona izinto zethu ngoba usaba imic
Ah.
maya uphuza uyawa aish awuphuza ubhemu uyawa
Muswahili
angazi nayo engathi iphuzile na.
Ababili kancane.
No, when a JPL, no, that's nice, my dog. I'm happy. Young people can look up to you. I'm a youngsters to say you can still have fun without indulging in any substances.
That's good, man.
You can have fun. So keep it up, my dog.
Ah,
So
yeah,
I'm a parents on how is the support? Do they think, hey, Jablan, when hey, netomculo, uzohamba ebusuku, basho bacema. How is the support, my dog?
hayi big support endlini oyibhaya big time yo base like into abakhala ngayo kakhulu ukuthi like ngingabhemi ngingaphuzi izinto abangazifuni lezo ngingabhemi ngingaphuzi like isikhathi as long batshelile ukuthi like makhiza ngelanga likanje ngizobuya ngesikhathi esikanje yeah nayakhuthazeka like ngisana kumshanga ecall mangilapho kulo ndawo lemtshela mama ngisasegrand ngakhathaziki yabo yeah nabe vele abegrand
So usho ukuthi mhlambe lento le yenze ukuthi ne-timer lakho phela leyo mpilo lenkinga ne. So they understand.
abekhanjwa lapha endlini
Liphuza, libhema,
uyaphuza akabhemi yeah
Hey, no, that's nice. Short, yeah.
So influence yakho nje i-foundation yakho be-grand kahle yani
maka ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi ngikhule grand like grand maka ngikhule
so cheese boy.
asingu-cheese boy mina
Subject manje umathi beduze. Kimi nawulo.
asingu-cheese boy ngikhule grand endlini like into like mangithi ngiyadinga ama-Chris enza sure ukuthi like ngiyayithola maka bengamfakeli pressure yeah
But earlier wena uche nasesigela ngu-She's boy, bangibiza u-She's boy.
bangibiza kanjalo obvious like the way ngingakhona like
Unithi, qini, alright.
phela nalo ma-Chris ngichris esikhathini that's why
Ne uyabulala.
Captain ka grade 10. Manje
No.
lapha figures.
Mamzo, you doing a good job, sister. Just captain lentwana.
phela esikhathini
Asinayo imali.
Yeah, right what is sister. I'm sure uMakriza intanga yakho.
Yeah, because phela. Aliwe la.
like ngikhe esikhathini nemali that's why bangibiza ngo-cheese boy
Stage inamanga. Ibona ngathi siyayilaha. Faka imali.
imali ngiyekeka na every day
Yeah.
maka sometimes babangananya understand yabo yeah
Yeah, nice one, my point. So ama-plans wakho kule industry music hamba kanjani?
ayi wena ngathi no indlela zami zavuleka yeah no zavuleka maka umuntu engifuna ukuyohlangana naye usetrain mangahlangana naye nje
Yabala ya futhi une-clip nalo. Mawuqeda uthathe lapho ufuna ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukuhlangana naye usetrail. Yeah, and then uhlangane naye. And ngibatshela ukuthi iwaya podcast iyohlanganise no-setrail. Nami ngizomcheck ngizofuna ngize ngimthole ngithi setrail yenza into right. Yeah.
ngabonga kakhulu
So umuntu ofuna ukucollaborate naye nje.
Yeah.
mangahlangana naye nje hayi mnandi
Kunale podcast besishaya nenye begeleza isigela sakho behlala nasekasi lakho uChef Swinko.
angicavi mina
Ayicafu uChef Swinko. Azange uyibone kule podcast esayishaya.
ngibonile podcast maka leya ngiyacala nokuyibona
Uyaqala ukuyibona leya. Intswembu nayo leya boy. I think nina nothi ngashaya isipane esimnandi.
And bekusathi mangena la ngithi ilibelo kushama freestyle ngithi angeke. Ngile ngizoyibiza no-Chef Senko. And bengicabanga u-X ngithi intwana yami u-X izongishayela i-beat.
Yeah, sibahlanganise.
Kanti
Thola ukuthi uChef uyabaza abo X. Thola ukuthi yabaqava.
Thola ukuthi.
Thola ukuthi hey. Ikhila kawo yana nayo leya.
Indaba kaSenko ke.
Yeah.
So my dog. So bengifuna ukubuza because njengoba uthi music vele izinto zihamba grand. Do you wanna do music even after school, after isigela? Or mhlambe uzoba uthisha and then ushaya ipiano.
mina khotman lami ukhingivaka ne mina kube kuya ngama besikela ngiyasiyeka ngoba mina like ispan sam engifuna ukusenza like in future isikela nje hayi mina like ngifuna ukuba i-producer yeah
so even naku production safuneka isikela
safuneka
yeah uyangibuza uboy yangibuza imfana yakho
no right
safuneka
sifike nayo
inguza lobuhlungu siyafuneka yafuneka swayini hayi ngene isikolo and then you do sound engineering
do sound engineering or business management because medu was the business side
umapolisa angazokuraya
hey mapolisa
yeah
amaka grand mapolisa
yeah usamuthi angeke ngisayini it's fine
Lord Poor, yeah, but Lord Poor.
Yeah, Lord Poor.
Outside grade, yeah.
Yeah, so like go to school. Can be a technician, can be within the sound space, production.
Yeah.
There's a lot. Yeah. You can even manage artists, but you need education so that you can draft a contract. You can, there's a lot marketing, promotions. Host major events. Touch artists like ulhambise USA or when uzhambise USA. It's cool, man.
It's yeah.
I'm glad uzile lana stop before doji class.
Yeah. Amabela sungumuntu doja class.
Yeah, ngisenza ama parents wakho angabumisa.
Big time yo makriza yo. Sabakabi yo. I am so blind.
Who would you like also who said real? The thing is who would you like to? So because we are freestyle like we are rapper phezwe beat. Ngisho kanjalo. Do you also do ama vocals?
You said like the hip hop nyashana.
Yeah,
sha hip hop like thing I'm a versatile artist.
Ne. Then uthi lo mntana usindi lo waseshawa yena umthathaphi hlangana nekuphi
hlangana shithi ukuhlangana kwami nayo usinda ngisiqala ukuhlangana ku Facebook maka besingakazi sibonana yeah then avele uyiwangitext yabo wathi ufuna ukusipana nami
bengasilento ukuthi send me your pic
hayi
bengasilezo
umuntu nje wathi ufuna ukusipana nami yabo nami ngathini athi ngimcove yabo thema ngimcova nangathi bekangablow khona ngada yabo ngathi ngasabloma boma ngayibo ma first ngayi yabo yasabloma boma da athini yena athi mina mfethu kumele social track khona la wangisendela khona ivoice note yakhe iwa acula la ayasha vocal usindi she's my favorite female vocalist.
Shutha bothatha wathi nabo babalo korop.
Ayiboni.
Hayi wena.
Sindi.
Sindi.
Sindabulala.
Yeah. Hayi it's unfortunate ukuthi akakhona ukubuza.
Nomele simele eze.
Yeah, name doesn't shy debut.
La do pass but uzwile umshayilisha shout out. So Kimela, I don't know if you have a question because I want us to narrow it down and nama question yana few.
Ungasitshelani intwana ezincane ntanga. Intwana ezingana nawo grade 10 yabo like what message would you give to intwana ezincane? Bheka icamera ukuringenazo.
Mina like message like iphuma kimi like ukuthi like bekezela like ube ne passion into like into etsanda ube passionate yabo ube passionate bekezela man yo bekezela like yeah nami phela la ngikhona no angifikanga like boom singina hayi ngicela ngisakhola ngefoni bekunzima yo makriza like nabekanga khona ukafola like boma PC yabo yabekanga khona makaphansi no like njoba sipanela thina ukuthi sibe crane endlini no ngi PC makriza nomadala
ukhodi lapha kini
hayi ngilasbon
uthi kunentwana yakho ezimba kwakho
andu intwana ka Antoine
wena ulasbon
yona ubani
bayingakho abaphezulu
Kathi uKamu uThato bese kuba yini
only 5 lapha
amajita kuphela
yes ngamajensi sonke
yo muswena mele uzifeature lezi like
yo lezi phela zona zithanda isitoko kakhulu
asikho hot njengoba uzibiza ngalezi nokuthi zithanda isitoko
zithanda isitoko
sizokumura mafethu
ngeke siduke nazo siyazi phela kazi mina bacala sifuna ukumphakamela makriza uba la
mama come on softy song give mama's baby come on softy song mama's baby
so your message to other young people was that they should focus
Focus,
bangalahluka.
Yeah.
So what inspires you? What keeps JPL now namagama amaningi ucaptain? What keeps
Captain
you going?
webuka.
Uyathandaza or uyaloya?
Hayi mina like ngiyathandaza
Amakhosi like ama motivation.
yeah shuthi khona i-out yami njengoba kutshela ukuthi khona out yami uyangibhika i-artist sometimes like uyamotivate abantu yabo usanokushaya ama-quote nyana lapha ku TikTok phela mina bese ngizitshelile ukuthi music ngiyawuyeka ngabona enye i-quote yakhe ukuthini bekezela like bathi uthini untwana usangaqala namanje yeah like asukuthi mina mangiqala izolo ngizoshisha ngiqede kuqala wena like mina sakaqala namanje the aim is to reach the destination yeah lapho ke nami ngalithi yabona nga-inspire ukuthi yabona ke manje kumele ngiqhubeke ke ngomusic
uyi-teenager nkosi yami yini enza ukuthi ufuna ukukhwitha osaseyanganje yitho kumele ngabe siyakhwitha amaphupho ethu kunini siwa-chase
wena mfethu bambe la uyeke la ubambile
ayi bese ngisinyawuyeka cause like bese ngibona ukuthi
ngathi angeke ngisebenze
angeke ngisebenze
elikanje yacaba ukuthi kusasekuseni for wena ukuthi ungakhwitha
still very early
like for instance let's say mina ngitshile ngathi ngina 20 years ngifuna ukuba
Ngisho ngathi ngina 20 years old ngithi hayibo ocamba manga in a public platform manje
kodwa it's the same as mangizothi ngise New York ungangiphikisi ngisuke ngise New York uma ngizothi ngina 20 awungiphikisi kusho mina I own my story
una 20 years wenzani continue
ngina 20 years ngikule industry entertainment I've reached ama milestones abhaya but I still feel ukuthi angafike and every day I wake up and I look forward to achieving another milestone ukuba ukuthi move forward until ngize ngithi ngiphi even the people I look up to abo Steve Harvey that's my guy when it comes to the space even namanje usafila ukuthi still wanna do more wena uzama 5 years nyana after covid usofuna give up uyabhema yini but what made you want to quit boy
ngibone like shuthi like nasendlini like lento yami bengisayicala like bebangayithatheli ekhaya yeah bengayithatheli ekhaya yabo like bathi like bangibuza ukuthi kwena mobheke lo music kuzokubekaphi yabo amena nami ngathi yabona ke manje kumele like ngizicoce mina yeah ngizicoce yeah
at what point did you feel like yabona manje aye akutshechele morawu no yabona no ngifikile no yabona at what yini owayenza where you felt like kanti
la kuze like ngibona ukuthi yabona ke manje angisafuna ukubuyela emuva idithi yami la ngizorekhoda noHoka noGogo yeah ngithe mangiceda khipha la clip yakhe yabona kuhlanya abantu yabona ke manje impilo yaphambili esaye emuva
because ngoma leyana nje it sounds like a song ngathi ngoma uyaziyo already seyirelease nokuke izwile le hook yalo mntana sizoyidlala masiceda listen to that song it's a dope song yo it's a very dope song
Nah, I think we've reached the end of the episode njayami. Is there anything mhlawumbe ufila ngathi asibuzanga yona obufisa ufuna ukuyishare ukuyisho shout outs anything you wanna take off your chest? Noma ungathi sorry papa ngenzeni ngayenzani baba
ungacema nga something contextualize
mina like ngifuna ukuthi shout out ku X yeah kahle hle ku Kendi yonke Kiss Next Door phela mama bonke yabo shout out to you guys like you my giants yo ngilankhona no yibo yeah
kitseni performer go Strictly Hip Hop intamo yami igcwele amatshe
kana misobe kuhlunga amaketa
maketa
ngishaya ivesi lakantwana masikathi yababona bangithathela phansi ngapopi dezengalphosi malingi ukuthatha ngoba ngisheriyo msitting nehani ngifanisa nenews kami yami ibuhlungu ngazi banyenzani so izolo ngicela amaketa
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we'll be signing out this wire podcast. Please don't forget to all do the right thing.
Please like, subscribe first before you like. Subscribe. Man, subscribe. Free charge. Please subscribe. Come on, subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Yeah, masenzela ama-short, share the video on all social media platforms. Siyacela bafethu.
Yeah. And now Facebook, our page now is ishintshile igama. It's no longer Pelifela. It's Iwaya TV finally.
Nice,
So it's Iwaya TV everywhere. Please, bring Iwaya entertainment. Iwaya is.
Nenza ma-follow lapho on TikTok. I'm Shineniken 011 inambe maphoswa.
So yeah. So
where do they find you vele wena?
Tholakala ku Facebook, ku Instagram, ku TikTok, Captain Vocalisi.
Captain with the
Captain
C.
K.
Yeah, okay.
So it's KAPTENI. Captain we vocal.
Or TEIL.
SA ne?
Yeah, SA.
Underscore. Akuna SA hlangene okuna underscore.
Lokhu ihlangene.
Shirathi naye kithiwe Mr. White Mr. Wizi wayithi. Bye bye. Nayi nama kathi balugogo lo.
Usindi lona ne?
Usindi lo.
Angikwazi nokulala Bangikhubaza ma Uphumula Wangibulala ma Angikwazi nokulala Bangikhubaza wena Kapteni galo Gogo wangishiya ngisemncane wathi mina uyabuye emakhishini Wakula wahlala emkhathini kwaba nginingi emndenini emalayitini bathi ugogo wangishiya ngisemncane wathi mina uyabuye emakhishini Wakula wahlala emkhathini kwaba nginingi emndenini emalayitini bathi yena wakula kakhulu nathemba ngibona uyaphumbula esifo senhluphe kakhulu nathemba ngibona uyaphumbula bathi yena wakula kakhulu nathemba ngibona uyaphumbula esifo senhluphe kakhulu nathemba ngibona uyaphumbula ukhala sizi yoseko 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 ukhala sizi
Out, my boy.
Yeah, away.
That's me. Hi, dopeness,